Hi friends, happy Thursday. There's Buzz. I hope you guys are doing so well. So, do you guys remember on Tuesday we did a candy graph? I hope yours looks way prettier than mine. I ended up using highlighters because it's bigger, easier to color that way. And please use that if you guys find necessary. So, in honor of Autism Awareness Day, we are going to take this graph and we're going to transfer the data to some puzzle pieces. How exciting, right? I'm going to cut my numbers in half because I used a lot of candy. I'm not going to cut the smaller ones in half, but these big ones right here, I'm going to cut in half. If you guys feel like you want to cut them in half as well, more than welcome to do that. Please do. And then some options for coloring is taking the first pink is the first one. I'm going to pan the camera down so that you guys can kind of see what I'm going to do. And I'll give multiple options for how to complete this assignment. Can you see? There we go. Okay. So for the first one, I have 11. I'm going to cut that in half, kind of, and say 10. Or not 10, I'm sorry, 6. I'm going to also color these little squares because I have so many. Hopefully you guys do not have that many. If you do, you can cut it in half, cut it in thirds, whatever suits you. The first option to get this colored is I suggest taking the color that you're going to use and you can label. So I need 6. So I could go 1, 2, 3. That's an option. Another option is you can highlight the square. So like this. And then they color the rest in. So I'm going to quickly do this so that we can move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, my next color is orange. I'm going to cut this one in half too, and I'm going to do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to quickly color this in. Whee! And if you guys want to use colored pencils, markers, crayons, paint, whichever option suits you guys best is perfect. And they do not need to be colored in all the way to beauty. Seems excessive. And then you can always hold hand over hand to help direct their coloring. Ooh, and this is just kind of going to be a different way to represent the data on the graph. Which color has the most, you know? Next color is yellow. I only have 4, so I'm going to stay true. And I'm going to show you guys, you know, we can outline it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to quickly color this one in. Color, 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 color. Okay. Oh, can't forget this one down here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, my next one is green. It has a lot, 13. I'm gonna say the half number of 13 is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Going to quickly color this bad boy in. Color, color, color. Color, 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 color. Woo, this is definitely my biggest one. Last one. Yay! Big colors. Ooh. Okay. Then I have blue. Blue is very small, only 2. So I'm going to outline again, show you guys this option. And then this option. Okay. And then last but not least, brown. Brown is only 5, so I'm also not going to cut that one in half. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which also makes it seem like orange is a little bit extra because 5 cut in half, 10 cut in half is 5. That's okay. That is A-okay. If you want to add another orange over to the side and then another pink so you don't have any equals. Oh, but then you'd have to add another green. It gets so complicated. So we're just going to leave it like this. It's fun anyways, isn't it? I hope you guys color better than I do. Because I am like a wild Mustang over here with my coloring. And there you go. You have turned your graph into some fun colored puzzle pieces. And then I'm just going to write my name over here. I'm going to go Miss King. And today's date is 4/2/20. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy making some colorful graph to puzzle pieces.